What's going on, guys? It's your boy John the Liquidator coming back with another video, and this one slid under the radar, guys. Coach Prime just made history again up there in Boulder. Yeah, we got to talk about this. Let's get it. Let's go. So, guys, we all know Coach Prime has been making history since he joined the Colorado Buffaloes on December the 3rd. First, it was with the merchandise. Colorado sold all of the merch, and pretty much it's hard to even get Coach Prime merch, let alone Colorado Buffs merch, guys. It was reported that they made over $100 million in the month of December, guys. But with all of that being said, Barstool's Colorado went to their Twitter page and released a tweet this afternoon, guys, and it has stated a whole lot of Louis luggage coming to Boulder this weekend. Biggest recruiting weekend in program history. So, guys, that means that Coach Prime is knocking down doors up there in Boulder, guys. He got, reportedly, 2 5-star guys coming and about 30 other 4 to 3-star guys coming. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Him and Tim Brewster and Coach Flea is on a rampage with recruiting guys. Not to mention that it's going to be a whole lot of signing coming February 1st, so you guys better keep your post notification bells on so you guys don't miss all of the action. But, guys, this is incredible. Coach Prime is setting the tone, man, for how to be a great college recruiter, guys, because he took marketing to a whole nother level, guys. But definitely let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments section, because he will continue to land the top guys. I can't see him slowing down anytime soon. Now, Tim Brewster and Coach Flea is currently down in Florida looking for new talent. Now, guys, I thought I had a lead up on a Texas recruit, but nothing is like solid yet. But trust and believe me, when I figure out who they got down there in Texas, I will definitely let you guys know. And it's looking like that they might be getting somebody big from Florida, maybe a lineman, but I don't know 100% yet, guys. We just got to wait and see until I get some more leads about what's going on in all these different states, guys, because there's so many guys just lining up as of right now to come to Colorado that they're even having trouble with getting to them all. But definitely, like I had stated, get down in the comments section. Let me know what you guys think about him breaking this school record. And until next time, y'all, shake the haters off, baby. We coming. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace out.
We coming. You should have seen by now. Coming. Yeah, they talking about it. We coming. They doubting us. We coming. They saying. We coming. They think it's a game. We coming. I don't give a damn what they say. You best believe.